Have you ever seen a plant that looks like a spiraled corkscrew? Or one that grows in the wild but is rarer than diamonds? Nature has hidden some of its most fascinating botanical treasures across the world, and today, we're about to uncover them. From bizarre succulents to elusive rainforest wonders. Stay with us till the end as we explore some of the rarest plants on the planet. 1. Tylecodon. We begin our journey in South Africa with Tylecodon, a genus of succulent shrubs that defy the usual rules of plant growth. These plants are winter growers, meaning they thrive when most other plants slow down. Their thick, water-storing stems and uniquely twisted branches make them not just rare, but truly mesmerizing to look at. 2. Aporocactus Flagelliformis, rat-tail cactus. Imagine a cactus with long, trailing stems resembling the tail of a rodent. Introducing the Aporocactus Flagelliformis, also known as the rat-tail cactus. Native to Mexico, this plant is a rare sight in the wild. However, when cultivated, it produces some of the most stunning bright pink blooms that look like nature's own fireworks. 3. Trachyandra. Meet Trachyandra, a plant that looks more like an abstract sculpture than a living thing. Native to South Africa, this plant's ribbon-like, curled leaves seem too perfect to be real. It's rare even in its native habitat, making it one of the most sought-after collector's plants for succulent lovers. 4. Albuca Spiralis, Frizzle Sizzle Plant. Next, we have Albuca Spiralis, often called Frizzle Sizzle for its charming curled leaves. This rare South African bulb plant grows tight, spiral-shaped leaves, and in spring, it surprises you with delicate, fragrant yellow flowers. But here's the catch. If you water it too much, the curls disappear. 5. Piper ornatum, Ornate Pepper Plant. If plants had royalty, Piper ornatum would wear the crown. This rare tropical plant from Indonesia is known for its stunning metallic patterned leaves, which shimmer under light. A close relative of the black pepper plant, it remains highly sought after, but difficult to find in cultivation. 6. Rafflesia arnoldi, corpse flower. Now, let's travel to the rainforests of Sumatra for the world's largest flower, Rafflesia arnoldi. But don't get too close. This monstrous bloom gives off the smell of rotting flesh to attract flies, its main pollinators. Despite its eerie beauty, it's incredibly rare due to deforestation and habitat loss. 7. Encephalartos woodii, the loneliest plant in the world. Nicknamed the loneliest plant in the world, Encephalartos woodii has a sad yet fascinating story. Only one male plant was ever discovered, and since no female exists, it can never reproduce naturally. All existing specimens are clones, making this cycad a true relic from prehistoric times. 8. Nepenthes, tenax, rare pitcher plant. Found only in northern Queensland, Nepenthes tenax is one of the rarest carnivorous plants in the world. It traps and digests insects in its pitcher-shaped leaves, thriving in environments where most plants struggle. But due to habitat destruction, finding this plant in the wild is nearly impossible. 9. Welwitschia mirabilis, the timeless wonder. From the deserts of Namibia comes a plant that never stops growing, Welwitschia mirabilis. This bizarre plant has only 2 leaves, but they grow continuously for up to 2,000 years. A true survivor, it thrives in one of the driest places on Earth. 10. Middle Mist Red, the rarest flower in the world. With only 2 known specimens left, one in New Zealand and one in England, the Middle Mist Red is considered the rarest flowering plant in the world. Originally from China, it was wiped out in its native habitat, and today, it survives only under careful cultivation. 11th. Dragon's Blood Tree, Dracana cinnabari. On Yemen's Socotra Island stands the otherworldly Dragon's Blood Tree, named for its umbrella-like canopy and crimson sap, historically valued for medicinal purposes. This unique tree's striking appearance and limited habitat contribute to its status as a botanical wonder. 12th ghost orchid, Dendrophylax lindeni. Hidden in the swamps of Florida and Cuba, The elusive ghost orchid captivates with its delicate white blossoms that appear to float in midair. Lacking leaves and emitting a subtle apple scent, this orchid's ethereal beauty and rarity make it a sought-after treasure among botanists and enthusiasts alike. Nature still has so many secrets waiting to be uncovered. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll come across a rare plant that the world has yet to discover. Which rare plant amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through nature's hidden wonders, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more botanical adventures.